Hey yo, SUV lovers. So we're back with another oil reset how-to content. In this video, we will cover how to reset your oil service light on your 2004 to 2025 Nissan Pathfinder. So let's jump into this and let's reset it. In this section, we'll walk you through the process of resetting the oil service light on the third generation Nissan Pathfinder, covering models from 2004 all the way to 2012. So here's the way to reset it. Step 1. Turn on the ignition without starting the car. Step 2. Then you press and hold the trip button on the dash till you see the spanner flashing. Step 3. At this point, you can turn it to the right or to the left, depending on what you want to set your service interval. Step 4. Once you've done, just leave it, and then it'll stop, and it'll reset the mileage. In this section, I'll walk you through the simple steps to reset the oil light on the 4th generation Pathfinder, so you can get back on the road with confidence. So let's get to it. Step 1. Turn on the car. Step 2. Use the menu button to scroll over to the settings menu. Step 3. Use the keypad to go down to get the maintenance menu and press enter. Step 4. From there, you can go ahead and enter into the service menu. Step 5. Go down to reset it and press enter on that, and you're done. Alright, in this section, I'll guide you to reset the oil service light on the 5th generation Pathfinder. So here's what we're gonna do. Step 1. Get in the car and turn it on. Step 2. Scroll to the right to get the menu with the gear icon and press OK. Step 3. Next, you're going to want to scroll down until you see Maintenance menu and hit OK to enter. Step 4. Go to the Service menu and press OK. Step 5. At this point, you're going to press OK to reset. Step 6. Confirm reset by selecting Yes, and you're done. So that's how you basically do it, guys. If you do any other service or want to set the intervals for them, they'll all be in the same menu, and you want to return to the main menu by hitting the back button. Anyway, thanks for coming along on my channel, and have a great day.